Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Amazon affiliates. Alright, so your first step would be to go ahead and open up your browser, and the browser I'll be making use of in today's tutorial video is the Brave browser. So once you turn on your browser, once you're on your browser, simply search for Amazon Associates. So this is what you're going to be searching for, Amazon Associates. Depending on your region, once you search up Amazon Associates, you'd be taken to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. This is the main site for the US. So if you reside in another country like the UK, all you need to do is simply type in UK or any other country that you reside in. But the default when you search for Amazon Associates is going to be the US. So simply click on this Amazon Associates Central, and once you've clicked on it, you'll be sent to Amazon Associates where you can find the sign in option and the sign up option. So since we're signing up in today's tutorial, all you need to do is simply click on sign up and you can recommend products and earn commissions basically. So once you click on sign up, you're taken to where you can sign in. Like I mentioned earlier, if you need any extra help, you can get it here. Otherwise, go ahead and click on create Amazon account. So click on create Amazon account, and this is the create account section of Amazon. So you could simply enter your first name, your email, password, and re-enter the password and go ahead and create your Amazon account. So once you fill this in, all you need to do is go ahead and click on create your Amazon account, and the site is going to load in once you've filled in these details. Alright, so after you've entered your personal details, you'll be asked to verify your via your email. They will send an OTP code from Amazon onto your email, so you verify. And then the next step would be to add a mobile number. So go ahead and do that. Alright, so once you're on Amazon Associates, this is the affiliate programs list for creating your Amazon Associates account. Alright, so the language is set to English, your name is shown as well, and now you're asked to enter your payee name, which would be the name of your affiliate account. So you could simply give it your personal name, or if you've got a business brand, you could use your business brand as your affiliate name. And then you're requested to add an address as well as your city, province, postal code, your country, and your phone number. So who's the main contact for this account, the payee listed or someone else? I need to enter their information. So you're creating an affiliate account for someone else, you need to enter their info as well. If it's for you, you enter your personal email info like your phone number and email and whatever is requested like your taxpayer info. Now it says here, this is important, please read this instruction before you fill the form. So basically make sure you're entering a correct address for the person or company you're trying to sign up the affiliate account creation for. And with that, all you need to do is enter this, go ahead, scroll to the bottom and click on next. So once you've clicked on next, you'll be taken to website and mobile app list. So go ahead and click on next. Alright guys, so you're requested to enter your website or mobile app. So if you own a mobile app, you could, put the link in. If you own a website, you could go ahead and put a link in. Now, if you do not own a website, you could as well drop in your social media handle or social media profile link like Twitter, YouTube, Discord, Twitch, any of these social websites with gathering can be used here. So as an example, I'm just going to simply paste the link there. Okay. So all you need to do now is click on add and it's going to be, entered for research purposes. That is by Amazon. Now, your next step would be to simply click on next after this, but please make sure you go ahead and read this instruction as it says they're going to take a look at your stuff, your domain, your website and whatnot. Now simply click on next. Do any of these traffic sources listed? Okay, so basically you're asking if any of the traffic on your website, is directed at children under 13, which is basically going to be no for this. So click on confirm. And we're on the next stage, which is your profile. So what is your preferred associate store ID? So now this question is simply asking, what would you like your your referral link to be called, your store ID to be called? When you share your link, what would you want people to see? So I could go ahead and put in maybe a little abbreviation, or anything that comes to mind depending on what you have for your store. So you could just put this in, and then where they ask, tell us about the content you create. So this is for social media owners such as YouTubers, Twitchers, and people on Twitter. So you could simply, Facebook as well. So you could simply just put in, okay, and once you've entered what you create, you could also describe your content. Is it a blog? Is it content or niche website? Comparison shopping engine, coupons, or we're gonna go with content. So once you've entered content, how did you hear about us? Online search. And now simply enter the capture word here, or the capture letters, and then simply click on finish. So once you've done all of this, simply go ahead and click on finish and make sure you agree to the terms and conditions of the associates program operating agreement. All right, so you're taken to the congrats page where it says thank you for applying to the Amazon Associates program, and your unique ID is this. And then you may occasionally need to provide associate ID to verify your account with us. In the meantime, you have been granted the full access to Associate Central 24 hours a day. If your affiliate links have not referred quality sales after 180 days, your application and access will be withdrawn. Okay, that's good enough. And now enter your payment and tax info. So you could go ahead and enter this now, but I'm going to be clicking on later. All right, so that's how you can easily sign up for the Amazon Associates program uh, for the United States. It works the same for the US, UK, and other countries that are supported by Amazon Associates. So guys, that's how you can simply go about any of this. Comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the channel. Thank you.